How to fix corrupted install detected in Arc Raiders. The first thing that I suggest doing is opening up your computer search, searching for run, open this up. Now type msconfig, okay, go to services, and if you see easy anti-cheat, for example I have it open right here, you want to uncheck it, then click on apply and okay. Once you have done this, then you will open up your computer search, go to documents. Now click on this PC, C drive, program files 86. You want to open up the easy anti-cheat _eos folder and just delete this file, easy anti-cheat _eos.system, and delete it. Once you have deleted it, then you can open up your library. Here we're just going to search for Arc Raiders. I'm going to do another game just as an example. I'm going to right click on it, go to properties. Now go into installed files, go to browse. Here you will right click on Arc Raiders, show more options, properties, compatibility, and check these two options. Disable full screen optimizations, run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK, and the very last thing which you need to do is to click on this button, verify integrity of the game files. This is going to just make sure that your installation is properly set up, and that should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.